ओके, सो हेलो हाय नमस्कार उन सभी को मेरा प्रणाम जो आज मेरे साथ इस सेशन में जुड़े हुए हैं। आई एम प्रशिल बड़वाइक, आई एम ए केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम VNIT एंड करंटली वर्किंग विद गोदरेज इंडस्ट्रीज। सो यहाँ हम सब मिलके गेट की एक शानदार प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं। ऑल वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गेट हियर इन वेरी स्प्लेंडेड मैनर। एंड यहाँ पे मैं सभी लोगों को केमिकल रिएक्शन इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ा रहा हूँ। So I'll request all those who are new to the class, please watch my previous class videos and you will be having a better understanding for this subject. So I'll quickly recap what we studied in yesterday's class. So we started with how to choose reactor for different order of reaction. Even along with this we started and we saw how to choose reactor for abnormal kinetics, right? Abnormal kinetics. What do you mean by abnormal kinetics? That is, suppose you need some, और यू टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑटोकैटालिटिक रिएक्शन, जहाँ पे क्या होता है, योर रेट वॉज इनिशियली स्लो देन इंक्रीजेस एंड अगेन गोज एंड अगेन स्टॉप्स, राइट? So for such reaction you are getting bell shaped curve or that may be curve shaped, right? So in that case how to choose reactor we have seen, right? Then उसके बाद we started with Damköhler number, right? Damköhler number, anyone want to tell what is Damköhler number? Ishwari, what do you mean by Damköhler number?
It's a dimensionless number and a ratio of rate of consumption of A by rate of transport of A by bulk flow, and it
Right?
is defined for a flow reactor.
Yeah, it is only for flow reactor. So such question may ask for 1 mark. Generally, this type of question asked in BARC exam, right? For 1 mark. So this Damköhler number is basically it is ratio of what is your consumption per unit your supply, right? So for supply there must be continuous flow. Then only there will be continuous supply, right? So it is applicable only for flow reactor, that is MFR, PFR, or it may be your semi batch reactor. Okay, so in today's class we will start with recycle reactor. Okay, recycle reactor. Anyone can tell why we are using recycle or why there is a need of recycling?
Increase the conversion of output product.
Yeah, right, to increase the conversion. Anyone would like to add something?
So
What is the
to reduce
conversion?
wastage.
Yeah, that is to increase purity. To increase purity. Okay, so what we are doing, suppose if there is unconverted material, we will recycle it, so that what will happen, that material, right, this is your suppose PFR, यहाँ पे you have 50% of A and 50% of product is there, right? So by recycling what we are doing, we are increasing here purity, right? Increasing the purity. So 50% of this material is there, so we will recycle part of it, so here purity will increase and you are getting more product. So this was about advantages of your recycling. Okay, so anyone can here who can tell any generalized example in real life where you are using recycle reactor? Recycle reactor. There are a lot of examples, right? Like, so I'll write example for chemical reaction engineering. Okay, और तुम्हें पता है जो गन्ने वाला जूस बेचता है, लाइक, ओके, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, वो जनरली रिसाइकल करता है इन ऑर्डर टू इंक्रीज द कन्वर्शन, राइट? सो बगेज का अमाउंट जो और कम हो जाता है. सो आई राइट वन एग्जांपल फॉर केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग, दैट इज your autocatalytic reaction. What happens in autocatalytic reaction? You have A plus you have product, right? R is your product. You are getting R plus R. This is right your kinetics for autocatalytic reaction. A gives R initially. So what happens? You want product to be there at initial stage, right? So the product must be there at starting to have high rate. Okay, initially you have, this is your time with respect to your rate. See, यहाँ पे your rate is slow and then rate is increasing, again it is stopping. So यहाँ पे why reaction rate is low? Here you have less amount of R, right? Less amount of R. That's why you need, your rate is low, and in order to increase this rate at initial stage, you want R to be recycled initially, right? जो R form हुआ है during reaction, if you recycle it, your rate of reaction will increase. Okay. Or second example, if I want to tell, then that is biological reaction, right? Biological reaction. वहाँ पे क्या होता है? What happens there? You are getting, you have a reactant which is reacting with microbes, right? And you are getting more amount of microbes there, right? Plus your product will be there. So what you are doing here, you are recycling this microbe to have high rate, right? So this is coming under this autocatalytic reactions only, but you can specifically write that biological reaction is coming under this recycle type, where we need to recycle feed to have high rate of reaction. Okay, so you can write here, recycle reactor is basically, recycle reactor is a what? It is a PFR, right? It is a PFR where part of output stream, where part of output stream is recycled, right? Is split and routed back to inlet. Okay, so this is about your definition of your recycle reactor. Now okay, I am drawing one diagram here. This is your PFR. Here there is a inlet stream, this is your outlet stream. Okay, and part of this outlet stream is recycled and routed back to the inlet. Okay, so wait, okay, you draw this. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? I'll write some point here. This is your 0 point, this is your first point, this is your second point, and this is your third. What remains? This is your fourth point. Okay, so तुम्हें पता है this stream second is breaking into 3 and 4. तो यहाँ पे whatever will be the concentration, it will be same concentration in 3 and it is same concentration in 4. The concentration of second is equal to third and fourth. Okay, now यहाँ पे your conversion is XA naught is equal to 0, and here you are getting X naught, that is your final conversion, right? Here you are having XA1 is a conversion, here you are having XA2 is a conversion, right? Then this is your volume of recycle reactor, that is your PFR. Here you are having FA1 as a feed, here you are having FA0 as a feed, and correspondingly, suppose this is 1, so it is FA1, here it is 2, then FA2, here it is 4, that is your FA4, and this is your FA3. Okay, these are the molar flow rates, right? Molar flow rates. Then second, what remains then? Volumetric flow rate, right? So correspondingly there will be, I am writing I, that is I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. We consider that, right? Now Anybody here which would like to add what is recycle ratio here? RR, that is recycle ratio, right? Part of recycled part of outlet stream is split and routed back to reactor. So what do you mean by recycle here?
V4 by V2.
V4 by V2. Okay, so
V4
that
by
is what.
V3.
Okay, so you can write in terms of that also, that is V4, right, nu 4 divided by nu 2, but this is what, this is your percentage of outlet stream, okay, that is coming out of reactor, right, out of reactor. But here in standard we are defining out of this outlet stream how much of your stream is recycled. Okay, so I'll write here Fa4 divided by Fa3, right? Fa4 is what, this is recycled, right, and out of this Fa3. Okay, now तुम्हें पता है what is your Ca into nu is equal to Fa, right, and मैंने बताया कि this second stream is breaking into this and this, तो यहाँ पे concentration क्या होगा, because single stream is splitting into two streams, so concentration will be same there, right? Any doubt here? That is your Ca4 into nu 4 divided by Ca4 I'll write, and it is nu 3 because Ca2 is equal to Ca3 is equal to Ca4. Single stream is splitting into multiple, that's why. So you can write recycle ratio as RR, or simply you can say R, that is your Fa4 by Fa3 is equal to nu 4 by nu 3. Okay, now I hope you have studied in your CPC, that is process calculation, what is your overall conversion and what is your single pass conversion, right? This is your single pass conversion, this is your overall conversion. Anyone who can tell the definitions here or by formula, what is your single pass conversion?
It is 1 minus Ca2 by Ca1, and overall is 1 minus Ca3 by Ca0.
Okay, so it is in terms of Ca, or you can write in terms of molar flow rate, right? It is continuous. So initially what number of moles you have, initial moles, and what is your final moles, right? So this is your converted you are getting, and if you define with respect to initial, so what you'll get, how much of initial moles has been converted. Okay, how much of initial moles has been converted. So हम कैसे लिखते थे, XA की value is your Na minus Na naught, right, divided by Na naught, यही लिखते थे initially when we started. Okay, so here we are writing in terms of moles per second, so I'll write here Fa single pass conversion. Okay, anyone having any doubt in single pass conversion, I'll explain. See here, what is single pass conversion? Suppose if this is your feed, I'm writing in black, this is your particle of A, these are your molecules of A or particles of A, and they are passing through this reactor. Okay, and there is a reaction, A gives B, right, A gives B. So suppose here there are 60 molecules, and when they come out of this reactor, right, out of this reactor in single pass, there are 40 moles, right, 40 moles of A. That means what, 20 moles of A has been converted. So A is equal to 40, that is 60 minus 40 is equal to 20. So 20 moles has been converted, and I'm saying, when I'm saying conversion, so it is excess is equal to 20 moles, that is converted divided by your initial moles, what, 60, so that is your conversion. Okay, so in a single pass how many moles has been converted, it is called single pass conversion. And in case of overall conversion, you are not caring about what is coming into reactor or what is going out of reactor, right? You just simply find out what is your this initial and this is your final, that is out of I'll draw here, this is your reactor. Okay, so this is your recycle. यहाँ पे whenever I am balancing over this system, right? So what is entering? That is your Fa naught, and what is coming? It is Fa3. Okay. So suppose if this is 70 moles, okay, and if you are getting out here, how many moles? 30 moles, right? So what will your overall conversion? That is XO is equal to 70 minus 30 with respect to initial, that is your 40 divided by 70, right? So this is your overall conversion. So I'll write the definitions. You please write. Your axis, that is single pass conversion, is what? This is your Fa2, right? Here it is Fa2 minus your Fa1 divided by Fa1. Is it correct? But I'll
So it
write here
should be FA1
If
minus FA2 also.
minus, right? So you will
Yes,
be
sir.
having this, that is your Fa1 minus Fa2 divided by Fa1 with respect to initial, that is your single pass conversion. And using this, what is your overall conversion? That is your XO is what? Your Fa3, here it is Fa0. So Fa0 minus Fa3 with respect to initial, that is your overall conversion. So these are two definitions which are very important in your process calculations and chemical reaction engineering. Or I'll in later portion I'll derive the relation between these two. What is relation between single pass conversion and overall conversion? And please keep in mind, this relation has been already asked for 2 marks in GATE exams, earlier exams, right? That is the relation. Suppose if you know what is overall conversion, then you can easily calculate what is single pass conversion. Okay. So I'll start with an example. Maybe some of you are thinking कि recycle reactor topic is a bit hard compared to what we studied in CRE. But यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि recycle reactor is simply PFR. So using PFR you can derive what is recycle reactor. And if I take some questions on the same, you will feel that recycle reaction is very easy topic, and you can enjoy that topic. Okay. So I'll start with one simple question. Okay, so this is your reactor. Okay, this is your recycle stream. Okay, suppose this is your point, that is 0, this is your 1 point, this is your second, this is your third, and this is your fourth point. Okay, now if I am saying this A is giving you B, okay, this is your reaction. But यहाँ पे if there is no reaction, if there is no reaction हो ही नहीं रही, I am not providing catalyst, I am not providing temperature, just it is passing here A and it is coming out of reactor and it is recycling. Okay, if there is no reaction, okay, you write no reaction. So suppose I am saying here you consider Fa naught, then your Ca naught will be there, and what is left? That is your nu naught. Okay, suppose if your Fa naught is 1 mole, right? If your Fa naught is 1 mole, case 1, when there is no reaction. Okay, so anyone, can you please tell me? I'll write point here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here without reaction, if there is no reaction, and with reaction. Okay, so what is the value of Fa, right? Fa naught, Fa2, Fa1. Here one point is there, that is your not. So you write here point is your 0, this is 1, 2. Okay, so without reaction, what is your concentration or what is your molar flow rate at point 0 or this is point naught? That is your Fa naught. So what is that value? Fa not, that is equal to 1 mole without reaction. Now anyone, could you please tell me what is your molar flow rate at 0.3, this value? Kaushik, you tell this. If there is no reaction, just molecule is passing and it is coming out of reactor, so what is your Fa3? Meanwhile other will calculate what is
It will
Fa,
be 1 mole only.
right? It is 1 mole only, okay, because it is steady state operation. I am writing here steady state, and here your recycle ratio R is 4. Recycle ratio R is 4. तो यहाँ पे कोई मुझे बता सकता है what is your value of Fa4?
2, 1.
How? Okay, I'll
So
write
it's
data.
so 2
Okay.
will be Fa2 will be 2 and then half, so F1 Fa4 is equals to 1 and Fa3 is equals to 1.
Okay, so I'll write first data here. See, you are having Fa0 is 1 mole, your recycle is 4, right? Recycle ratio is 4. Here if there is reaction, right? If there is reaction, I am considering overall conversion is 4, right? Overall conversion is 4. Abhi, if there is no reaction, then your Fa0 is your 1 mole, right? Your Fa3 is 1 mole, and what is your recycle ratio? That is your Fa4 by Fa3, right? Now based on this R is equal to 4, what is your value of Fa4? That is Fa4 is, anyone?
4 moles per second.
4.
Right, it is 4 mole. Okay, I'll write formula also here. Your Fa1, Fa0 is as it is, Fa0. What is your Fa3? Fa3 is equal to Fa0 because there is no reaction. What is your Fa4? Fa4 is basically your R into Fa3. What is your Fa3? 1 mole, so your Fa4 is your 3 moles per second, right? You write per second everywhere. It is 4 mole, right? 4 mole. It is 4 moles per second. Now, what is your Fa2
5
from
moles.
this?
5
Okay,
moles.
how? Because your Fa1 is
Minus 2.
Fa1 is your Fa naught plus Fa4, right? And your Fa4 is 4 moles. Your Fa naught is 1 mole. So your Fa1 is your Fa naught plus Fa4, and your Fa2 is your Fa3 plus Fa4. So if you add these two values here, you will get Fa1 is equal to 5 moles and Fa2 is equal to 5 moles, which is clearly telling you there is no reaction, right? When your overall conversion is 0, then your single pass conversion is 0. Okay, so these are your formulas. Okay, please write this now. So I'll write here, if x overall is 0, that is overall conversion is 0, then your x single pass, right, that is xs is also equals to 0. समझा अभी? Now with reaction I'm writing. So what is your Fa0? That is 1 mole per second. Now based on your conversion, you have a given value of overall conversion. So overall conversion में कौन कौन सी टर्म आती है? Which terms are there in overall conversion? that is your FA naught, and second is your FA3. So if overall conversion is given, then what can you calculate? You can calculate
FA3.
FA3. So what is your value of FA3 then? You know overall conversion is 1 minus of FA3 divided by FA naught, right? So please substitute and calculate the value of FA3. That is your FA3 is what? Sai Kiran?
0.6, sir.
Okay, 0.6 moles, right? That is 40% has been converted. तो रिमेन कितना रहेगा? 60% ऑफ इनिशियल इज रिमेन. तो इनिशियल कितना है? 1 है, तो उसका 60% इज व्हाट? 0.6. ओके. अभी प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ FA4. ऋतुजा, FA4.
Recycle ratio is same.
Yeah, it is same. R into FA3.
2.4.
Right, it is 2.4 moles per second. Now, who will tell? Pranit will tell what is your FA2. If you know what is your FA naught and what is your FA4. So, what? FA2. FA2 is what? Your FA3 plus FA4. So, FA3 is what? 0.6 and it is your. So, you will be getting what? 3, no?
Yes, sir, 3 mole per second.
Right, FA2 is your 3 mole per second. What is value of FA1 then? Last is FA1.
3.4.
Right, it is 3.4. Abhi, this is for you. What are the formulas for these conditions? Please tell one by one. First Sai Kiran, then Kaushik, Rutuja and Pranit. So your FA1 is basically, so I'll write here. FA3 is your FA naught
FA naught into 1
minus
minus x0.
x0, okay?
x0.
x0, right? That is your overall conversion. Then FA4 is
R into F3.
right. FA4 is R into FA3. What is your FA2? That is
FA3 plus FA4.
FA4, right? FA3 plus FA4. And then what is your FA1 then?
FA naught
That
plus
is
FA.
plus FA4.
right. FA naught plus FA4 is equal to FA1, and this is your FA naught. Okay. So if you substitute values here, right, what and all values in terms of R, so you will get your FA3. Please note these formulas. FA3 is equal to FA naught 1 minus XA. Second is your FA1 is equal to FA naught plus R times FA3, right? That is your FA4. And what is your value of FA3 then? That is FA naught plus R into FA naught into 1 minus of XA, right? So you will take out common. FA naught is, and here 1 plus R 1 minus of XA. FA naught, right? If there is any mistake, please let me know. Then FA2 is your FA3 plus FA4. What is your FA4? That is RFA3. So FA naught 1 minus of XA here. Then it is plus R into FA3. Okay, so this is FA3, this is also FA3. You take out this common. 1 minus of XA 1 plus R. Any problem here? Right?
No.
This is your second. Now please calculate single pass conversion now in terms of R. That is your XS is equals to 1 minus of FA2 by FA3. So you know what is value of FA2 and what is value of FA3. No, there will be FA1 and FA2. Okay, so you have FA1, you have FA2, right? This first and second. Please calculate value of XS. You just substitute values, multiply and cancel the terms. This is your FA2 by FA1. You expand it. What answer you are getting? Here, whenever I am writing XA, whenever I am writing XA, that is your X naught overall conversion.
Sir, XA divided by 1 plus R into 1 minus X.
Right, so it is XA divided by 1 plus R in bracket 1 minus of X naught. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Single pass conversion is equal to, so I'll write in terms of, okay, overall conversion you write here XA or XO. So in terms of XA here or XO divided by 1 plus R into 1 minus of XO, right? So this is overall conversion. Just whatever you write, that is your equation. Okay. Now यहाँ पे हमने जो reaction ली थी here, what is your single pass conversion and what is your overall conversion here based on these values? Single pass is basically FA1 and FA2. So what is your single pass conversion? That is your 0.4 divided by initial, that is 3.4, right? Correct. Initial is 3.4 minus 3 divided by 3.4. Okay. And what is your overall conversion? That is your 0.4. It is given. Okay. What is single pass? Please tell me.
0.117.
117. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
using this formula, can you please calculate what is your single pass conversion if overall conversion is given? Overall conversion is your 0.4. That is
Same.
Same, sir.
0.117, right?
117.
So this formula is very important whenever you are solving equations in process calculations and when you are solving questions of recycle reactor, and this has already asked in GATE exam, so please be careful while this equation. Okay, that is single pass conversion is overall conversion divided by some value. That means your single pass conversion is always lower as compared to overall conversion. So I can write here recycle reactor is used to increase the conversion, right? Single pass conversion, see what is 117, and if you are continuously recycling it, so you are getting higher value, that is your 0.4, that is your overall conversion. Now I am done with this. Here, what is design equation of PFR, Kaushik? Design equation of PFR.
V by F naught is equals to integral 0 to xa.
Yes.
Dxa by minus r.
Dxa by minus r, right? It is your correct answer. So this is design equation of PFR. And what is for PFR? That is your V by F naught is equal to XA divided by minus RA. Okay. This is your PFR CSTR, जहाँ पे you can see CA naught is your initial conversion. As soon as it falls in this reactor, you will get CA as output. Your internal concentration is CA. So I can write here concentration at inlet, that is this is the inlet and this is your outlet. So both are same, right? CA inside जो भी है, that is your outlet. So CA in is actually your CA naught, but within a fraction of time it converts to CA. So your concentration inside is CA and outlet is CA. Okay, so at starting here and at the end you are getting same concentration. That means your conversion at this position is equal to this, right? Inlet, basically CA naught is your inlet, but वहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, sudden decreasing concentration, that's why I am saying, or you can say inlet dash, right? So that is your CA, that is your lower value than what is your initial one. Here this is your design equation of PFR. If you analyze this equation, यहाँ पे what you are getting, what is this FA naught? FA naught is your moles, right? Initial moles, or I'll say it is moles before reaction, right? Are you agree with this? These are moles before reaction. Okay, moles before reaction. This is your volume of PFR. What is this X naught, that is equal to 0? This is conversion, right? Conversion before and after reaction. Means what I am telling here, whenever there is no reaction, what is your conversion here? That is your 0, and just reaction start hogi to there will be some conversion, right? There will be some conversion. So this is conversion before reaction. Now using this concept, what is your recycle reactor? That is a PFR with a output stream is break into, that output stream was divided into new stream, and that is recycled back. Okay, so you can write here, this is your recycle reactor, this is your R, right? Abhi using this formula, equation 1, what will be your equation for recycle reactor? That is your volume of recycle reactor VR divided by what is your moles before reaction. Before reaction you are having, this is FA naught, here it is inlet. I'll draw, wait, you can draw it here. Okay, so it will be your Fa1, this is your Fa2. So whenever I am writing equation for PFR, this is your equation and this is your diagram. This is your Fa0, right? This is your Fa1. So what we are writing, moles before reaction क्या थे? Your Fa0, that is what is entering the reactor. And यहाँ पे क्या होगा? What is entering into reactor? That is your Fa1. Are you agree with this? If you compare with PFR, are you agree? What is entering? Okay, Pranit, Kaushik. Okay, so I'll write here Fa1 is equal to your XA1, this is your XA2. Okay, I am writing here XA2 or XA final, you can consider dXA divided by minus RA. Okay, now what is your Fa1 before reaction? Please go and see what is your formula for Fa1 before reaction. That is Fa1 is what?
Fa0.
Fa1 is, and Fa1 I am asking, Fa1, that is Fa0 plus Fa4, and if you substitute value of Fa4 in terms of R, that is before reaction, should I derive? Fa1 is your, this is, you know what are the streams, right? Numbering, you know, this is your third, this is your fourth, this is 2, this is 1, this is 0. So what is your Fa1? Fa1 is basically Fa0 plus Fa4 is equal to Fa0 plus what is Fa4, that is RFA3, and before reaction Fa0 is equal to Fa3. If you substitute, what you will get? Fa0 into 1 plus R, right? Are you clear with this? Should I substitute this value here before reaction?
Sir, Fa3 is equals to Fa0 into 1 minus Xn.
Before reaction. See, this is Fa0. What is this Fa0? What is entering to reactor, right? That is before reaction. यहाँ पे reaction हुई है क्या? Before entering PFR, वहाँ पे if there is any reaction, नहीं, right? Fa0 is entering, Fa1 is coming. So what I am writing? Moles before entering reactor, that is moles before reaction. Before reaction is what? Here जब मैंने बताया था, यहाँ पे तुम ये न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज कंसिडर करो. See, your Fa0 is entering, your Fa3 is coming, that is equal to your Fa0 only. Then second case is what? Your Fa1 is basically Fa0 plus Fa4. If you substitute this value here before reaction, so you will get this value, right? Fa1 is your Fa0 1 plus R. Any doubt here? Just you need to consider what is physical significance of terms written in PFR. So you will be having these values. Should I move?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So wait a minute. There is a problem in my iPad pencil. The charging is very low. So this was about your FA1, that is your FA0 into 1 plus R. I think I need to stay a bit, at least for 5 minutes, because the charging is very low and I cannot write here. Okay, so I'll explain here. So what is your XA1? I told you that is your with reaction and without reaction. What is your FA? So you write there XA1 is basically FA1 with no reaction minus FA1 with reaction divided by FA1 with no reaction. That is actual definition of your XA1. You can apply this definition in PFR also, right? So you write XA1 is your FA1 without reaction minus FA1 with reaction divided by your FA1 without reaction, and please substitute the values in terms of recycled ratio, and please calculate value of XA1. Are you getting this? It is XA1, that is your FA1 with no reaction minus your FA1 with reaction divided by FA1 with no reaction. Now please substitute values here. What is value of FA1 with no reaction, Rutuja?
FA node.
Okay. FA1 I'm
Sorry.
saying FA1 is, it is FA0 plus
FA,
R
FA4.
right? FA4, that is your R into FA3, right? So if you take out common, I'll write here, that is your R plus 1 into FA0, right? FA1 with no reaction is your FA0 plus your FA4, that is FA0 plus RFA3, and you know without reaction that is your FA0 plus R into FA0, right? So if you take out common, you will get this minus what is your FA1 with reaction, the one which we derived, FA1, this is right, FA0, that is your FA0 1 plus R 1 minus of X0. Now please calculate what is your XA1.
Rxa by 1 plus R.
Right? So Rx naught divided by 1 plus R. That is your R upon R plus 1 into your x naught, right? Please substitute these values. I'll write equation x and equation y in design equation here. Please tell me what is your final expression. That is your VR divided by FA naught is equals to R plus 1 integration XA1 to XA2, that is your XA final, or it is x naught, and here you will get x1 is what? XA1 is R x naught divided by R plus 1. Here it is same dxa divided by minus RA. So this is your design equation for recycle reactor, right? And condition is what? Condition is what? Your epsilon A could be any value. For any epsilon A, this is your equation, design equation of recycle reactor. Are you done with this? Should I move? Okay, you would have found this equation for design equation, right? But this is how this was derived. Now, okay, please write two conditions there. One is your R is equal to 0 and your R is equal to infinite. Please divide this into two branches and write R is equal to 0 and R is equal to infinite. So for R is equal to 0, you can easily calculate. And what is that equation? What does that correspond to?
Simple PFR.
Right? So what is that equation? Please write. That is your, you write this 2 when R is equal to 0 and R is equal to infinite. So here you will get when R is equal to 0, you will find VR divided by FA naught is equals to integration 0 to x naught dxa divided by minus RA. Right? This is your equation. And वैसे भी suppose if you look at what is your recycle reactor and if there is no recycle, so simply you can imagine कि that is a PFR. Okay, then please calculate when R is equals to infinite. How will you calculate? In a simple way, I'll suggest to go for this. What is your XA1? That is your R into x naught divided by 1 plus R. Please divide by R, so you will get XA1 is x naught divided by 1 plus 1 by R, and now substitute what is your value of R there. And please tell me what can you imagine from the values of XA1 here and your x naught. Please substitute.
They are equal.
Right? And when they are equal, कब equal होते हैं?
M CSTR.
राइट, व्हाट इज कंडीशन फॉर CSTR? जहाँ पे तुम्हारा इनसाइड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन जो होता है दैट इज योर सेम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, राइट? व्हाट आई एम सेइंग अबाउट MFR हियर, जब योर इनलेट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज CA1 not the exact inlet. I am drawing here. This is your CA naught and this is your inlet, that is your CA1 suppose. So this outlet is your CA1 here, right? Are you agree with this? That means whatever I am saying, if it is conversion, that is x naught, here it is x naught. So and using this r is equal to infinity, you will get x naught, right? So your inlet concentration is x naught and outlet concentration is x naught. Okay, so I can write here there is same conversion at entry and exit. That means your recycle reactor is equal to your MFR when r is equal to infinite, and this is equals to PFR. So overall I can write your recycle reactor, this is your recycle stream. So there are wide range of possibilities where it starts from r is equal to 0 to r is equal to infinite value, and you will be having P of r and you are having MFR too, right? So it allows to obtain different extent of mixing, right? It allows to obtain different extent of mixing. You write this, right? So if it is asked in which reactor you are getting different extent of mixing, that is from MFR to PFR, you just write that is your recycle reactor. Okay, then please convert this equation in terms of concentration terms, right? What we derived here is your equation in terms of conversion, right? Now please convert into concentration term. कैसे होगा? You just substitute FA naught is your CA naught into nu naught, right? And your CA is your CA naught 1 minus of XA. Okay, what is your DXA then? C naught DXA is what you are converted, that is your DCA. Am I correct? And your CA2 is your CA final. Your CA1 is what? That is your FA1 divided by nu 1. What is your FA1 then? That is your FA naught plus RFA3. Okay. And what is nu 1? That is nu naught plus R into nu 3, because your concentration at exit is same. Here if you substitute value of FA3 and nu 3, this is FA naught R, this is FA naught into 1 minus of XA, and then nu naught R, nu naught here 1 plus epsilon A into XA. Now you will be having final expression as CA1 is equal to CA naught plus R into CIF divided by 1 plus R. You may find this equation in your Octo-Lewis field for CA1. जहाँ पे बस तुम्हें कन्वर्ट करना है CA naught is equal to FA naught divided by nu naught. Okay. So if you substitute this value, you will get tau R, that is your tau r divided by CA naught. Here you are getting VR divided by FA naught is equal to your R plus 1 with minus sign, right? Because this derivative is negative, minus sign, and you will be having CA naught here, integration CA1 to CA2 minus DCA divided by minus RA. C naught will cancel, and you may find equation in terms of residence time. So you will get equation minus 1 plus R integration CA naught plus RCAF divided by R plus 1 to CA final, that is your CA, to DCA by minus RA. This is your design equation for recycle reactor in terms of concentration. And R is your nu 4 divided by nu 3 is equal to FA4 by FA3. Now we'll move to octave Levenspail plot. Okay. For first equation, that was your V divided by FA naught is equal to 1 R plus 1 integration R into X naught divided by R plus 1, and here X naught will be there, dxa divided by minus RA, right? Anyone who can tell me how to draw this equation? Anyone, would you like to help me? This is your 1 by minus RA. This is your XA. And this is your curve. Rate of reaction तो same ही रहेगा. Direction of reaction or progress, I mentioned this. Anyone having any idea how can I draw? Sai Kiran?
Sir, initially at starting case, limit should be x not equals to 0 now, sir. But here we have some initial conversion.
Yes. Okay.
So it starts from something
Some
r by
value.
x naught is equal to this.
Yes. Okay. That is correct. Now you have to find out what is your area. Okay. So see here. This is your final conversion x naught. This is your xa naught, that is equal to 0 starting point. Okay. This is your curve. Abhi, what I'll do? Wait. This is your direction. See, this is your x naught final value, and this is your xa 1. Okay, this is your value. So I am breaking this equation. कैसे? R into integration. Can I write R into what is in integration plus 1 into what is in integration? This is R plus 1, no? Right? So just I am breaking this in R and plus 1. Okay. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now I am writing this portion. I am drawing this portion. That is your XA1 to XA0, right? What is your limit? XA1 to your XA0. No, that is your XA1 to X0. I'll correct it. This X0. सही है? This is also XA1 to X0. Okay. So if I am drawing this, so this is your X0, this is your XA1, and what is your area under the curve? This is your area under the curve, right? Area under the curve. Can I divide and find out a point, this point, जहाँ पे this is your highest rate, this is your lowest rate, this is your 1 by minus RA average value, this is your higher one, this is your lower one, this is your average, such that this area I am drawing, this area is equals to your upper area, that is this area. Can I replace this upper area by this lower area if I found this point,
Yes, sir.
right? So I can replace it. So this is my one strip, right? First part, right? Now total area क्या होगा? Suppose this is first, I am writing this term as 1 time, so this overall will be your R times, right? Will it be R times of this area, R times of this area? So this is your entire area, right? So if you are averaging it like this average, and if you are drawing for first curve, that is this portion, then R times of that value is your whole area under the curve, that is your VR divided by FA naught. So whenever you are drawing VR divided by FA naught, that is your this whole, okay, and this upper portion will not be there because we have replaced using this. So actually your curve is not this, but your area under the curve, or you can approximate ki, see, this is, if it is for first and it is for the first integration, then this will be for your entire integration, and if you calculate this, then you can find out what is your VR divided by FA naught. Any doubt here? Abhi, your R plus 1 is your total area, this is your 1, so this is your R, right? R plus 1 is equal to whole integration, right? So if I am saying this is R, this is 1 time, so this is your R times, and please don't confuse this. R may be greater than 1, it may be less than 1, कुछ भी वैल्यू हो सकती है. It is not always कि if you it is not always that you always consider R is greater than 1 only. It may be greater than 1, it may not be greater than 1. So you will be having curve like this curve, and your area under the curve will be your entire area, just you are averaging, this is 1, so this is your R times of your that value, and this is your VR divided by FA naught. Any doubt here? Now I have just approximated what is the value of VR divided by FA naught by finding one part and multiplying it R times, right, for order greater than 0. Are you clear with this? Should I move?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay, what
Sir,
I did,
like, can you repeat once?
okay, I'll repeat. What I did is, I'll write again. this is my curve, okay, and using integration, using this integration, that is your VR divided by FA naught is equal to R into integration plus 1 time this is integration. So I cannot easily calculate what is your VR divided by FA naught using this equation, but I have what is my kinetics, and based on I have this graph 1 by minus RA versus XA, okay. This is your XA naught, that is equal to 0. This is your final conversion, that is your X naught, and suppose if it is XA, if this value is XA1, right, and what is your limit of this integration? XA1 to X naught, this is also XA1 to X naught. What I am doing, I am just approximating, I am writing or I am drawing this curve from XA1 to X naught, and what is area under the curve. So this area I am getting, area under the curve, this line, right. So instead of multiplying this area, suppose isko if I am multiplying, so I may get some different area, right, such kind of area. But in order to avoid the complexities, what I am just assuming, I am just finding out a point, this point, such that this area is equal to this area, okay. So I'll write A B C D E, okay. So area of ABC is equal to area of CDE, right. Just I am finding out, approximating how to calculate a volume for recycle reactor, right. And I am considering, I am replacing this ABC by CDE, right. So this is my one time, this is my one time area under the curve. And what is your total value? That is your 1 time plus R time, right. So this is your 1 time of integration. So entire area will be your, this area will be your R times, right. So you will be getting, this is whole, that is VR divided by FA naught is your R plus 1, right, times integration. And if I am considering this as a 1 time, then this will be your R times, right. 1 time is there, I am replacing this strip here, 1 strip, this is 2 strip, this is your third strip, this is your 4, this is your 5th, this is your 6. So what is your R key value? That is your R is 6 here, right. This R plus this is 1, that is your approximated what is the volume of your recycled reactor. Just I am replacing this 1 time by this R times here in order to approximate and calculate the value of your VR divided by FA naught. And this R may be any value between, or it is 0, or it may be less than 1, it may be greater than 1. So this is the condition when R is very high, okay. Just I am approximating this area, and I am replacing this, if it is 1 time, then this will be your R time. You will come to know about this whenever I am writing this for R is equal to low, okay. So suppose if R is low, so you derive what is that, that is your PFR. If R is very low, then it is PFR. So R, if R is very low, then what is your curve? This is your curve. And if R is low, suppose this is your R, right. So what is your approximated area then? This will be some average value, so that you can replace this area by this area, right. So this is your R times and this is your 1 time, right. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, your R time is, this is your R time, right. यहाँ तक के this is your R time, this is your 1 time. So here R is less than 1, that's why you are getting this. Don't confuse it that R is always greater than 1, right. Here R is less than 1, that's why what you are considering here, approximating, this is your area, right. So here you are following what, this curve, right? This curve you are following. If R is low, so whenever you are following curve, I'll write again. Okay. So this is your replaced area. So this is your 1 time and this is your R time. So here you can see you are not using your this area. You are using this area. That means you are more or less following your curve. So it is PFR kind of thing. And if R is very high, then you know what is curve. That is your this curve, right? This curve. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? You are following entire area, this area. That is your area of rectangle, and which is more or less equal to your MFR. So these are two conditions. When your R is low, you will be having PFR, right? You are near to PFR, and if your R is high, then you are having area of rectangle, and that is your equivalent to MFR. Okay, so this was about your recycle reactor. Quickly we will solve one question, that is from Octave Levenspiel 6.18. Your XA, that is your conversion, is 2/3. For a reaction 2A gives 2R carried out in isothermal PFR. Okay, and recycle is 1, R is 1, recycle ratio, right? Now you need to find when R is equal to 0, what is your conversion? XA is equal to question mark. You know this is second order reaction. So for second order reaction, what is your equation? That is your XA divided by 1 minus of XA is equal to K tau C naught, right? If you remember this, what you want to calculate? XA. So you need to find out value of K tau Ca naught for R is equal to 0. So please calculate value of K tau Ca naught from value when recycle ratio is 1. So you need to apply and use the formula of recycle reactor, that is your VR divided by Fa naught is equal to R plus 1 integration. What is your XA1 here? What is your X overall? Please calculate. Your X overall is given as 2/3. What is your R? R is your 1. So I can write here 2 integration. What is your XA1? That is R upon R plus 1 into X naught. 2 divided by 3 into X naught. R is your 1, right? So it is 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is your 2. So 1/2 into 2/3. So it is 1/3. So here you are having 1/3 is your 2/3. You are having dxa divided by minus Ra. Your VR divided by Fa naught. Please substitute minus Ra is equal to K into Ca naught square 1 minus of Xa whole square, right? For second order reaction. So you will be having value of K tau C naught. This is your tau divided by Ca naught. So So I'll get here tau C naught K is equal to your 2 into 1 by 3. This is your 2 by 3. Am I correct? C naught 1 cancel हो जाएगा एक, तो you will be having C naught in numerator and K will transfer to that side. What is this value? 1 by x का square, that is minus 1 by x into coefficient of x. Kaushik, what is your integration value? Into
3 by 2.
yes 3 by 2, so we will be having 3. Okay, now please substitute this value here, so you can get value of xa, that is your xa minus 1 upon xa is equal to your 3. So here xa is equals to 3 divided by 1 plus 3, so 0.75, right? 0.75. Okay, so that was your question. So I'll tell you in tomorrow's class, please think for it. Whenever you are having recycle, so तुम्हारा conversion कितना आया था? It was 2 by 3. Okay, what that mean? That is your 66%. When there was recycle, you are having conversion xa is equal to 66%, 0.66. Okay, and if there is no recycle, then you are getting conversion 75%. So यहाँ से तो तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि if I am recycling, then I am getting less conversion, right? Any thoughts over it? We will discuss this in next class. Okay, so we'll stop here. Please try to solve questions from octave Lensfield and recycle reactor. I'll also share some homework. You please try to solve that. Okay, whatever questions I am giving you, there are chances that the same questions might appear in GATE 2022. These are the questions which are repeated and based on the repeated concepts. Okay, so please try to solve that. Okay, and you may find such questions as already asked in your GATE examination. So I'll stop here, and in tomorrow's class we'll discuss more on this recycle reactor. Okay, so thank you so much.